Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you exactly how to create a password-protected zip folder to keep your sensitive files completely secure. While Windows lets you create standard zip files natively, it actually removed the ability to add passwords out of the box. So to do this quickly and securely, we are going to use a free open source tool called 7-Zip. If you don't have it installed yet, open your browser, search for 7-Zip download, and install the latest free version. It takes only a few seconds. Once you are ready, locate the files or the folder you want to secure. Select them and right-click. If you are on Windows 11, you may need to click Show More Options at the bottom of your context menu. Then hover over 7-Zip and click on Add to Archive. A new settings window will pop up. First, go to the drop-down menu next to Archive Format and make sure it is set to zip. You can also change the name of your new file right at the top. Now look at the right side of the window under the encryption section. Type your secure password into the first box and then retype it in the second box to confirm. Leave the encryption method as AES256, as this provides professional grade security for your files. When you are done, simply click OK, and that is it. Your new password protected zip file will instantly appear in the same folder. If anyone tries to extract the files or open them, they will be blocked and prompted to enter the password. If you found this quick method helpful, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct software tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.